Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn probability together, step by step. Probability measures how likely an event is. We'll define theoretical probability for equally likely outcomes and apply it to the classics, coins, dice, and playing cards. The probability of an event E is the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of equally likely outcomes. It always lies between 0 and 1. 0 for impossible, 1 for certain. The event, not E, is everything E is not. Since together they cover all outcomes, the probability of not E is simply 1 minus the probability of E, often the quickest route to an answer. Roll a fair die. There is one favorable outcome, the face 4, out of 6 equally likely faces, so the probability is 1/6. For an even number, the favorable faces are 2, 4, and 6. 3 outcomes out of 6, so the probability is 3/6, which simplifies to 1/2. Draw a card from a standard pack of 52. There are 4 kings, so the probability of a king is 4/52, which simplifies to 1/13. To recap, probability is favorable over total outcomes, always between 0 and 1. The complement is 1 minus P of E, and the secret is to count the outcomes carefully. That completes Class 10 Maths. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.